Hello parents, I would like to show you a small little instructions about how to use Paint. It's very helpful for your kids. First of all, always show them that they have to open it from start here, click, and then go slowly. Either they can find it here in the quick opens, or they can find it all programs, accessories up here. So we're gonna open it and start working a little bit with instructions how to draw their computers and label them. So they're going to use first of all the square and rectangle button here to draw rectangle. So we're going to draw all the rectangles needed. This is for the screen, this is for the CPU, this is for the keyboard. Inside the keyboard they can use also the rectangle to draw some squares here, and later on to use the lines to do the buttons. So we finished with the screen. CPU, they can do their CD. Usually I tell them to use the circle to do a button here, and inside it a small restart button, also the mouse. The line here should be used for inside the keyboard. Let them use the magnifier to magnify on the place of where they want to use the line, so it looks big enough for them to see how they are using the line. Make sure to put the line from top to bottom, never leave a space, so that when they color, they will color it perfectly. So ask them to do it. I'm gonna do just a sample so that you can see how to teach them at home if you want to, and then magnify back to the old picture. This is how it looks like. Now they can use, oops, I forgot to use the curve to make the wire for the mouse. So click, drag one time, drag the second time. So this looks like a wire, and then another one to make the mouse looks right with the right click and left click. Okay, we're done with it. Now they can start with the coloring. They can use the fill with color button to color them. So I'm gonna do just a little bit quick example. That's why I'm not gonna color it the perfect way. Here I did a mistake, so you can tell them that I left some spaces. That's why all of it were colored like this. So in order to see the mistake, you can magnify into the mouse, and you can see here I left a space here and I left a space here. Fix it with the pencil and the black color here and here. Magnify back, and if I color it again now, it won't happen again. So this is how it should look like. Your children can color it whatever they want to. They like to be creative in this part. Use the text button to label it. I'm gonna label each one. This one should be screen or monitor. I tell them usually screen. I'm gonna resize it. Probably they won't know how to resize it, but I would like you to help your kids resize it. Screen. CPU. I think you need to help your kids a little bit with the labeling part. Mouse. I'll do my best. And keyboard. Anyways, So this is how it should look like. In the homework sheet, I requested this to be colored in red, so be careful. You can color this in red by choosing the red color from the bottom here before you label. Okay, this is it for today. I hope it will be good.